Welcome back to the Security Event 2025. You join us on the CIE stand, and I've been joined by CIE's very own encyclopedia of Akuvox, Ashley Wilson. Ashley, welcome back.
Thank you.
And Ashley's given us the chance for a very first look at a brand new product from Akuvox, which is the X910, which is right behind us. Ashley, tell us a little bit about this brand new product.
No problem. So the X910 is a premium doorbell that has package detection and also the ability to video record as well as.
So it's a single button intercom product. Clearly it's for the residential market, but clearly it's a little bit different from your average video doorbell.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's not buy off the shelf and then plug and play. You still need your professional installer to install this. It's IP66 and then also IK8. So actually for a doorbell, which you normally kind of see kind of plastic or aluminium, this is actually, your solid stainless steel.
And as an intercom, it's got access control within it. So what credentials can we use with the product?
So you've got your RFID, you've also got your phone unlocking as well as, and then you've also got QR code scanning.
Now, we can see a great big camera in front of us, but there is actually a secondary camera as well, which is for package recognition. So tell us a little bit about that, Ashley.
Yeah, absolutely. So, you think about a porch or, steps at your house, your camera can see out. You've got WDR, you've got that wide angle now, but actually what about at your feet? Your postman's potentially left a parcel at your door. You don't have visibility of that normally. Typically, your delivery driver is going to ring the bell anyway, but sometimes you might leave special instructions, leave on the front porch. This will then basically tell you exactly when that's been placed and send an alert to your mobile app.
So you've got all the best features and functions of a professional Akuvox intercom, all of that quality that you would expect to see in a residential single button intercom, available from CIE Group. If you want to find out more, join us at ciegroup.com.